Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan red velvet cupcakes. They are light, fluffy, scrumptious and very quick to prepare. Plus we are going to use beetroots instead of adding any artificial color. Watch the entire video to follow all the tips and tricks to make this incredible recipe. So let's get started. We will start with preparing the vegan buttermilk. To the plant-based milk, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I am using around 250 grams of soy milk. Mix everything and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now let's move to the dry ingredients. Using a sieve, add 220 grams of all-purpose self-rising flour. You can use normal all-purpose flour as well and add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Then add 10 grams of cacao powder, which is approximately 2 tablespoons, 190 grams of coconut sugar. You can use any vegan sugar of your choice, 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the dry ingredients well and try to break all the lumps. There are a couple of lumps because of the sugar, so make sure you break them all. Now it's time to assemble the wet ingredients. To the vegan buttermilk, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 110 grams of oil and give it a slight mix. We are going to blend everything, so don't worry too much. I have taken 80 grams of beetroot with skin removed. Add the beetroot pieces to the blender followed by the liquid mix, and like you can see, the color of the soy milk is already changing to light pink, which is incredible. Blend as smooth as possible. Now take the sieve again and add the liquid mix to the dry ingredients. We are going to filter the liquid as no one wants to have those chunks in their red velvet cupcakes. And if you liked the video so far, please subscribe to my channel Food Atomic for easy vegan recipes. Now combine the liquid ingredients with the flour and towards the end you will get this smooth running batter. Mix it well so there are no lumps. It will have this flowing consistency. The batter is ready. Then line the tray with the cupcake liners. I'm using a ladle to add the batter to the tray. You can use a cup or a mug, whichever feels more comfortable to you and is less messy. Fill them up to 90%, then bake over 170 degrees Celsius for 28 to 30 minutes. And the vegan red velvet muffins are ready. Insert a toothpick to check if it comes out clean, and that means they are cooked completely from the inside too. Keep them on a wire rack for them to cool off. Meanwhile, let's prepare the frosting for the cupcakes. I've added 250 grams of vegan butter. Blend it a little to soften it. After that, gradually add the icing sugar, around 800 grams. Yes, that's right, a lot of icing sugar. Keep on blending till you get the smooth buttercream. And there we go. The vegan buttercream is ready. And traditionally, the frosting on top of red velvet cupcakes is cream cheese. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lime juice to add a little tang to the vegan buttercream. Blending everything again and the perfect frosting is ready. Then fill it in a piping bag and design your own cupcakes. And I hope you are better than me at doing this. I'm not so good with art and this is a constant learning experience. So one day I will definitely be good. Now take one of the red velvet muffins and grate it on top of this to give it a final touch. This is optional, but it makes them look so pretty. Now it's time for the final taste test, which technically I did before, but I will gladly do it again. It's light, fluffy and so scrumptious. See how quick it is to prepare them? I love these so much and you can pamper yourself by making them as well. So if you liked today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. I have added the written recipe for the vegan red velvet cupcakes in the description section, along with all the equipment and ingredients I used to prepare this recipe. And if you're still looking out for easy vegan dessert recipes, check out this playlist right here. So that's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting mouth-watering vegan recipe. Until then, Bye.